Yes, today we are going to learn about our module number 13, apostrophe. Okay, so see here, what is the meaning of apostrophe? Okay, so apostrophe is used. Yes, apostrophe is used when we form possessive nouns, when we have to show possession. Okay, so it is also used when we want to indicate that a letter or letters have been dropped while shortening the word. Okay, so see here, the word to contract means to make smaller. See, a contraction is made by combining two words to make a single word. These make it easier to speak these words. Contractions are short forms of word. The apostrophe is used to form the contractions. Okay, contraction means what? A short form of a word. And when we have to make short forms of a verb, at the time we use apostrophe, a small comma like symbol. Okay, punctuation mark also we can say, but it is a apostrophe. Okay, the word to contract means to make smaller, and for this we use apostrophe. Okay, now see, contractions, the apostrophe in place of the missing letters in a word. See here, you can see there is a small comma like symbol here. See here and here. Okay, so this comma like symbol is a apostrophe. Okay, so see, when you have to write short form of it is, so at the time you will use apostrophe for make the contractions. Okay, for make the short form of a verb. Okay, so what is the meaning of this word? That is, it is. Now see, there are some examples. Okay, here we have to make contractions by using the apostrophe. Okay, so first letter is I am. Okay, if you have to write short form of I am, so you will put apostrophe up after I. See here, after I there is a apostrophe. Okay, and this is the short form of I am. Okay, now second one, they are. Okay, second one is they are. So see here, you have to concentrate where we are going to add apostrophe. Okay, so after they. Okay, see here, after they we are going to add apostrophe, and after that we are going to write only R E. Okay, so it's they are. If you have to write you are, then how you will write you are? So you will write you, then apostrophe, and then R E. Okay, so this is the right contractions of you are and they are. Now next one is it will. So see here, you if you have to write short form of it will, so how you will write? First it, then apostrophe, and then only double L. So it's a it will. Okay, now is not. Is not. Okay, so is, then you will put an after is, then apostrophe, and then T. Okay, and what is the pronunciation of this? This is isn't. Okay, is not, isn't. Yes, repeat with me, isn't. Okay, isn't means what? Is not. Okay, so what is the construction of is not? That is is, and then apostrophe T. Now next one is they have. So if you have to write the short form of they have, so they, then apostrophe, and then we. They have. Okay, so when you are going to read this in paragraph. So how you will read? You will read they have. Okay. So this is the apostrophes examples. Okay. Now see next slide. Yes. Contractions with is, am, and are. So the I in is and the A in are replaced with the apostrophe. Okay. See here, I told you example. See here example. Okay. What is the formula? Yes, formula not. What is the rule? See here, our rule is yes. What is our rule? The I in is and the A in are replaced with the apostrophe. Okay. Now see, I'm going to give you one example. See here, it is. Okay. And what is the short form of it is? It is its. Okay. So which we replace? This I we replaced with the apostrophe. Okay. So I we replaced with the apostrophe. Now see second one example of are. We are. Okay. So how we will write this in short form? We, then apostrophe, then are. So what we replace? This A we replaced with the apostrophe. Okay. So what is the rule? The I in is, okay, and A in are replaced with the apostrophe. Now the A in am is replaced with the apostrophe. Okay. See here, I am. I am. How we will write? I, then apostrophe, and then am. So what we replace? This A will replaced with this apostrophe. Okay. So see what is the rule? I and A in are we replaced with the apostrophe, and A in am we replaced with the apostrophe. Okay. Let us see some examples over here. Yes. See the example. She is. Here we are going to replace this I in is with apostrophe. She's. Okay. Now you are. This A we are going to replace with apostrophe. Your. Okay. You are. Now see, we are. Here also we are going to replace this A with apostrophe. Okay. So we apostrophe then are. Okay. This is. Here we are going to replace I in is with apostrophe. Okay. That's. Now here I am. Here we are going to replace this A with apostrophe, and we will going to write this I am. Okay. I am. So here what we have learned? We have learned that when we are going to write is, okay, so we will replace that I in is with apostrophe, and when we are going to write are, at the time we will replace A with the apostrophe, and when we are going to write am, so at the time we will replace that A into apostrophe. Now next one is contractions with will, has, have, and had. Okay. So the W R in will and the HA in has, have and had are replaced with the apostrophe. So what is the next rule? Yes, WI in will. Yes, and HA in have, has and had are replaced with the apostrophe. Let us see the example over here. See, you will. Okay, here there is a will. So which will replace? That WI will replace with the apostrophe, and what will remain? Only double L will remain. So how we will write the contraction? How we will write the contractions? U apostrophe and double L. Okay, you will. Now see, next one is they will. Here also we are going to replace that WI, okay, with apostrophe. So they will. Now see, you have. Here see what we are going to replace. In have, has and had, we are going to replace HA. Okay, means we are going to replace this HA and we will write apostrophe when we have to make short form. Okay, then what, how we will write? You apostrophe have. Okay, you have. Now next one is I have. Also we are going to replace HA and I apostrophe VE. Next one is he has. Okay, so here also we will replace HA with apostrophe, and how we will write? He apostrophe S. Okay, he has. Now see contractions with not. Okay, so these alls are is not, have not, will not, does not, cannot. These alls are expanded from forms, and we have to make the contracted forms. Okay, we have to make the contractions by using the not. So how? See here, what is our rule? The O in not is replaced with the apostrophe except for will not. Okay, now see, we will see these uh, last. Okay, first we will see O in not is replaced with the apostrophe. Okay, now see is not. Okay, is not. So O in not, okay, means these O will replace with the apostrophe. So how we will how we will make the contraction form? That is, then an, then apostrophe, and then T. Okay, isn't. Now next one is have not. Okay, see here, have not. How we will write? Have not, have not. What we will replace? That is, that O we will replace, and how we will write? Have, then an, then apostrophe, and then T. Haven't. Okay, now see doesn't. Doesn't, see here, DOES, then does not. Okay, so how we will make? DOES, then and then we will replace this O with apostrophe and then T. Okay, so this is doesn't, does not, doesn't. Now next one is cannot. Okay, how we will make short form of this? Then we will replace this O with T. Can't. Okay, see here, cannot, we will not use here double N. Okay, only single N we will use here. Okay, and O we will convert, replaced with the apostrophe and then T. Okay, can't, doesn't, haven't, and isn't. Now next one is about the will. Okay, so here there is a exceptions for the rule about will. See, how we will make the form of will? not. Okay, so here what will replace this L and this O will replace. Okay, see here W, sorry, here what will replace this L and O will replace. Okay, wait. Okay, now see how we will make the form of will. This is W O and T. Okay, won't means here we will not replace this O. Here we will not replace this O. Okay, only I and L we will not write here. Okay, only W we will write here. Then we will write O and then N and then apostrophe and then T. Okay, so this is the different. Okay, so how is the pronunciation? Won't. Yes, will not, won't. Again, see how we will make contractions with not, constructions of will not. Okay, so first see will not. Here we will not write I and double L. Then how we will write W O. Okay, then and then apostrophe T. Won't. Okay, see will not, won't. Now see apostrophe is also used to show singular possession. Okay, means when you have to show possession over on the things, at the time you will use apostrophe, but singular possession. Okay, the dog's tail means, see here where we use apostrophe dog with dog. Okay, but how is the dog? Yes, dog is a singular noun. Okay, so the dog's tail, what is the meaning of dog's tail? The tail of the dog means this is the possession. Okay, now see here the dog's tail, the tail of the dog. And there are two main rules for adding the apostrophe to show the singular possession. Okay, and also there are two rules for show the plural possessions. Okay, see first here how to write singular possession and what is the meaning of that. Okay, so when you have to show the singular possession, then you will write apostrophe with apostrophe after the singular noun, and then you will write apostrophe plus s. Okay, dog's tail, what is the meaning of that? The tail of dog. Okay, now see rules. First rule is, if the noun is singular, add the apostrophe plus s. Okay, if the noun is singular, at the time you have to add apostrophe plus s. Okay, see the example, dog is a singular noun, then we write apostrophe plus s. Okay, example, the horn of a car. Horn of a car. So how we will write? Car's horn. Okay, what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning? Car's horn means the horn of car. Okay, now see second rule. If the noun is singular and ends in s, still add the apostrophe plus s. See the example over here. Bus. bus, bus. Here it is end with s, but see bus is a singular. It is a singular noun. Then also we will write apostrophe plus s. Okay, bus. If the noun is singular and ends with s, still add apostrophe plus s. Okay, the wheel of bus. The wheel of bus, if we have to write in short form, so how we will write? Bus wheel. Okay, see here, the bus wheel. Okay, so what are the two rules? If the noun is singular, add the apostrophe plus s. Okay, and if the noun is singular and ends in s, still add apostrophe plus s. Okay, now next one is rules for the plural possessions. Okay, so see, there are two main rules for adding the apostrophe to show the plural possession. See here, if the noun is plural and ends in s, add just an apostrophe. See here, you have to add only apostrophe, not s. Okay, here you don't have to add s. Okay, with the plural noun. See the example, girls. Okay, it is a plural noun, then you will add only apostrophe. Boys, only apostrophe. Here you will not add s with apostrophe. So see what is our rule. When the noun is plural and ends with s, just add an apostrophe. Okay, team of girls. So team of girls, if you have to write in short form, so how you will write? Girls team. But where you have to add the apostrophe? After the s. And here you don't have to add s, extra s. Okay, so how you will write? Girls, then apostrophe, and then team. So what will be the meaning of that these words? That is team of girl. Okay. Now see second rule. If the noun is plural and does not end in s, noun is plural but it is not end in s, add the apostrophe plus s. See students, when noun is plural but it is end with s, then at the time you will not add s with apostrophe. But the noun is plural and it does not end with s. At the time you will add apostrophe plus s. Okay. Now see, there are some nouns which does not end with s. Okay. See, men, women, children. Okay. So these are the plural nouns. Okay, so see, these are the plural nouns but they are not end with s. Okay, so at that time you what you will add? Apostrophe s. Children's, men's, women's. Okay, so these are the correct form of contractions. Okay, see the example over here, shirt of men. Okay, so these words, if you have to write in short form, so how you will write? Men's shirt, men's shirts. Okay, but see, men is a plural noun but it is not end with s, so at the time you will add apostrophe s. Okay, so these are the two rules about the plural nouns. See, if the nouns in a plural, if the nouns is plural and ends in s, add just an apostrophe. And if the noun is plural and does not end in s, add the apostrophe plus s. Okay, so these are the two rules. Now see, the apostrophe is not used for a possessive pronouns such as mine, ours, theirs, his, hers, and yours. So here we will not use the apostrophe. So it's very important. Apostrophe is not used with the possessive pronoun. Okay, see the example here. Yours. Here we will not. Here we will not write that yours apostrophe s. Okay, what? Why? Because our rule is the apostrophe is not used for the possessive pronouns. Okay, we will not write mine's. Okay, see here. Correct uses: yours, hers, his, ours, its, theirs, and mine. Okay, so these are the incorrect form if you will add apostrophe after before the s. Okay, now difference between the plurals, possessive, and contractions. Okay, the see the plural forms of a word show that there is a more than one of something. Okay, what is the plural noun shows? They shows that the things are more than one. Okay, see, they boys are playing. Here boys means what? One boy playing? No, more than one boys are playing. See, what is the meaning of plural? The plural forms of a word shows that there is more than one of something. Okay, now see, a possessive nouns or pronoun says who or what owns or has something. Okay, who or what owns or has something. Okay, see here, the baby's toy is here. Okay, here the baby's toy is here. This is the possessive noun. Baby's toy means toy of baby. Okay, here there is a possession of toy over on baby. Okay, this is the baby's toy. So the baby's toy is here. So here what the possessive noun says? Possessive noun says that the owner of that toy is baby. Okay, who is the owner? That baby is the owner of the toy. It shows the possession. Okay, so possessive nouns or pronouns says who or what owns or has something. Baby's toy. Okay, now next one is contractions are word made by combining two words and leaving out one or more letters. The apostrophe takes the place of the removed letter. Okay, see here example. I already explained you all the things here. If we have to write its, okay, so if we have to make the short form of this it is, so how we will write it apostrophe s. Okay, so we will replace this I with apostrophe. So contractions are word made by combining two words and leaving out one or more letter. Okay, here we will leaving this I and we will replace this I with the apostrophe. So the apostrophe takes the place of the remove letter. Okay, let us see the example over here. They have won the competition. Here they have. Okay, here there is a short form of they have. See, they have. Here which two letters we leave and we replaced with the apostrophe? This H and A we replace with the apostrophe. Okay, now next one, she doesn't drink tea. What is the meaning? She does not drink tea. Okay, so here does not. Does not. Here which letter we are replacing with? apostrophe, this O we will replacing with the apostrophe, and we are going to make new word, the contraction of the does not, that is doesn't. Okay, so here what is our rule? The contractions are word made by combining two words and leaving out one or more letters. The apostrophe takes the place of the removed letters. Now, this is all about the apostrophe. See here, I am going to explain in short. Okay, so first, if you have to yes, see first contractions. Okay, this is the, what is the contraction? The words to contract with, contract means to make smaller. This is the contraction, and when we have to make smaller word, at that time we use the apostrophe, and by using the apostrophe we make short form of verb. Okay, now next one is contraction use the apostrophe in place the missing letter in a word. Okay, see here I told you one example over here. If you have to write I am in short form, so you will replace this A with apostrophe. They are, you will replace A with apostrophe. It will, you will replace W with apostrophe. Is not, you will replace O with apostrophe. Now there are some rules. Okay, contractions with is, am and are. So when there is a contraction with is and are, at the time you will replace I in is and A in are with apostrophe. And about the am, see here, yes, when you have to write I am, so here you will replace that A in am with the apostrophe. Let us see the example over here. She is, here you are going to replace I with apostrophe. You are, here you are going to replace A with apostrophe. We are, here also you are going to replace this A with apostrophe. That is, here you are going to replace I with apostrophe. I am, here you are going to replace A with apostrophe. Okay, now next rule, will, has, have and had. So here see WI in will and HA in have, has and had are replaced with the apostrophe. Okay, so see, you will, here you will replace that W with apostrophe. They will, here also you will replace the W with apostrophe. WI with apostrophe. Then you have, I have and he has. You, here you are going to replace that is HA with apostrophe. Okay, the will, in will you will replace that WI, and in have, has and had you will replace that HA with apostrophe. Now next one is contractions with not. When there is an example with not, okay, so at the time you will replace that O with apostrophe, but there is a exceptions about the will not. Okay, so how you will write the forms of will not? Here only you will add W and then I double L, you will leave, and then you will write O N, and then means that I double L will convert into O, and then you will write N, and you will replace that O with apostrophe, and then you will write T. Okay, this is the correct form of will not, that is won't. Okay, now next one is the apostrophe and singular possessions. Okay, so there are two main rules for the adding apostrophe to show the singular possession. Which are the two rules? If the noun is singular, then add the apostrophe plus s. Okay, apostrophe plus s you have to write. If the noun is singular and end with s, add the apostrophe plus s. Here we are talking about the singular noun. Okay, noun is singular, then add apostrophe plus s. If the noun is singular but it also end with the s, at the time also you have to write apostrophe plus s. Now see about the plural nouns. There are also two rules. See, if the nouns are plural and ends with s, add just an apostrophe symbol, not s. Okay, and if the noun is plural and does not end with s, at that time add apostrophe plus s. Okay, so this is all about the apostrophe. Now see about the possessive pronouns. So if you have to write, if you have to show the possession, see, these are the possessive pronouns. Okay, so here you are not going to write apostrophe because already they are showing the possession. Okay, so that's why we are means it is not necessary to add the apostrophe for the possessive pronoun. Okay, see, this cycle is mine. Already the mine word is showing the possession. That's why you are not means this is not necessary to add this apostrophe. Okay, now see, the apostrophe is not used for the possessive pronouns such as mine, yours, hers, his, theirs, and ours. Okay. Now see difference between the plurals, possessives, and contractions. Okay. See, plurals. Yes, plurals are showing the more than one thing. Okay. Now possessive. Possessive shows the possession. That thing is yours. Okay. You are the owner of the thing. Okay, someone is owner of that particular thing. That is the possession. Now contraction is a short form of a words. Okay, these combining two words and make a short form of the words by adding the apostrophe. Okay, and replacing the letters or leaving the letters. See, this is all about the apostrophe.